Is it the right time to buy or sell Palantir stock? Today, we're going to take a deep dive into Palantir. We originally published a report on our website on Thursday, January 11, 2024, and now we're back to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of January 9, 2024, our system has identified Palantir as a sell candidate with a score of -1.30. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's prediction, with a gain of 1.77%. This means that on average, it has achieved a daily return of 0.59% since it was labeled as a sell candidate. The stock is currently moving within a wide and horizontal trend. This means that we can expect further movements within this trend. Looking at the past 3 months, there is a potential -0.164% change expected over the next 3 months. The possible return ranges from -12.24% to 27.61%. Now, let's focus on the longer term. Over the next 12 months, there is a projected 125.68% change in the stock. The potential return falls between 119% and 213.14%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $36.53 to $52.23 after a year. In our latest update for Palantir, we have an important headline to share: Palantir stock price down 0.655% on Thursday. On Thursday, the 11th of January 2024, the Palantir stock price experienced a decrease of 0.655%, dropping from $16.79 to $16.68. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 4.7%, reaching a low of $16.17 and a high of $16.93. It's worth noting that the price has declined in 6 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a decrease of 4.52% over this period. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is generally considered a positive sign as volume tends to follow the stock. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by 3 million shares, and a total of 38 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $636.84 million. Looking at the past 52 weeks, we observe that the highest price of Palantir stock was $21.85, while the lowest price was $5.84. Currently, the price is 23.66%, or $5.17, below the 52-week high, and it is also 62.93%, or $28.32, below the all-time high on January 27, 2021, when the price reached $45. Analyst ratings. On Friday, January 5, 2024, Jefferies gave PLTR a grade of underperform with a downgrade action. On Friday, November 3, 2023, Wedbush gave PLTR a grade of outperform with a hold action. On Tuesday, September 19, 2023, Wedbush gave PLTR a grade of outperform with a hold action. On Thursday, August 31, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave PLTR a grade of underweight with a downgrade action. On Tuesday, August 8, 2023, Raymond James gave PLTR a grade of outperform with a hold action. Analysts have given Palantir stock a general buy rating. They strongly recommend investing in the stock based on its PE ratio and price-to-book values, both rated as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have a more cautious outlook and give the stock a neutral rating. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals identified for Palantir. On Friday, January 5, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 4.38%. It is expected to continue rising until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. However, there are also some negative signals that may have an impact on the near short-term development. While the Palantir stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average, the long-term average suggests a general sell signal. This means that the stock is forecasted to have a more negative outlook. If the stock continues to gain, it will face resistance from the long-term moving average at $17.87. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it will find support from the short-term average at $16.41. A breakup through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will strengthen the sell signal. It's worth noting that the volume fell along with the price during the last trading day. This reduces the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Today, I'd like to share with you some other signals that you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots also show a buy signal, which was identified 5 days ago. Bollinger Bands have also indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. The short-term moving average has shown a buy signal 5 days ago. However, the long-term moving average has given a sell signal 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 23 days ago. Now, let's explore the 12-month chart to see what it reveals. The short-term moving average has shown a sell signal 28 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average has given a sell signal 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 65 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Palantir. Palantir, a stock to watch, has found support from accumulated volume at $16.20. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. In terms of risk, Palantir exhibits average movements during the day and has good trading volume. This suggests that the risk associated with trading this stock is considered to be medium. Looking at recent data, the stock has shown a daily price range of $0.760 or 4.7%, indicating some volatility. Over the past week, the daily average volatility has been 3.65%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Palantir, let's first go over some important fundamental data. Firstly, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This crucial ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Palantir currently has an exceptionally high P/E ratio, suggesting that the stock may be overvalued. However, it's not unusual for tech companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. Moving on to other news, Palantir's upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 12, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.0800. It's essential to keep an eye on these figures as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, we will be discussing potential day trading levels for Palantir, a popular stock in the market. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for Palantir stands at $17.84. For those who are not yet invested in this stock, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering a position. However, if you are already holding Palantir shares, this could be an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Palantir faces its first support level at $16.20. If this level of support holds, it could potentially serve as a favorable entry point, indicating a possible rebound. The consensus rating for Palantir, according to multiple analysts, is buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On January 3, 2024, Schiff Alexandra W. sold 4,000 shares of Class A common stock. On January 2, 2024, Stat Lauren Elena Friedman sold 6,000 shares of Class A common stock. On January 2, 2024, Moore Alexander D. sold 21,900 shares of Class A common stock. On December 6, 2023, Planishek Heather A., sold 27,608 shares of Class A common stock. On December 1, 2023, Schiff Alexandra W. sold 4,000 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is calculated to be negative at -20.255. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased a total of 8,155,717 shares and sold 12,449,053 shares. We regret to inform you that our evaluation for this stock is negative, and it is important to note that no stop loss has been set. Is Palantir stock a good buy? When evaluating Palantir, we have identified several negative signals that suggest it may perform weakly in the near future. Our analysis of the volatility and movements from the last trading day indicates that the current price is overvalued. For Friday, January 12th, we anticipate Palantir to open down by $0.0867 and begin trading at $16.59. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise consulting a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. It's crucial not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your own investment decisions. We're sharing our current view on the stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and let us know. Also, what's your target for the stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. We hope you have a successful trading day. Best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.